welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Arun here, and today this is class 6th of C Sharp, and in this class we are going to discuss about the string. String are used for storing the text, means we can store the text inside the string. And the main thing is here, whenever you are going to write anything inside the string variable, you have to write your quotes inside the double quotes. So a string variable contain a collection of characters surrounded by the double quotes. You can see this example, string greeting equal to hello. Now we can take actually string length. If there is types of method in the string, so one of the method is string length. A string in C# is actual an object which contains property and method that can perform certain operation on strings. For example, the length of a string can be founded with the length. Means you can see I take one variable, string type variable. There is actually some characters inside there. So I wanted to take what is the number of lengths of this character. So let's see in the example. So let me open it. So this is my actually project. You can open your Visual Studio and try. So this is the string type variable, and let me write some characters also. So console.writeLine, this length of the string text string is, now this is the method, means variable name dot length. Length is the method to check number of strings in your data type variable. So let's run this and we'll see the output. So you can see the length of this string is 43. Let me try to decrease some length and we'll try again. So now this is 35. Okay, so this is length is the method of a string. There are many string method available. For example, dot upper, dot lower also you can use, which return a copy of the string, convert to the lower and upper cases. Like, we'll take one more example. Let's see. Let me comment this code here first. So let me uncomment. I have taken one string type variable. This is hello world, and this output, in the output I want uppercase. So this is, you can see capital and small letter, but I want this full hello world should be print in the capital letter. So if I will take text dot upper to upper, this is the method. Okay, this is the method of string, and dot to lower, so it will print first line full upper, means capital words all the will come in the output, and lower. Let's see the actually we'll run this program and we'll see the result. So you can see all are the capital word dot upper, and lower all the small words. Let's go in the next slide. String concatenation means when we have to merge two string together, that is called concatenating string. The plus operator can be between string to combine them. This is called concatenating string. So I have two first name and last name that I wanted to print in the single line. So how, we'll see. Let's go to the example and we'll see. So I have taken this, let me uncomment here. First name is Arun, second name is the Sani. So I am going to concatenate of two strings. If you will see first name last name, then string name equal to first name plus last name. So it should combine, it should join with Arun Sani. Let's run it. So you will see Arun Sani is the output of this. So this is the concatenating string. Next, C# string interpolation. Interpolation actually another option of the string interpolation is a string interpolation which substitute value of a string into the placeholder in the string, that you do not have to worry about space like concatenating. Means I wanted to join but I don't want to put plus operator, so with the help of this in the brackets, so we can combine that string. Let's see the example. Let me uncomment this. So you will see again I have first name John and last name Leo. So third variable is my full name is this. Inside the bracket you have to write if you are going to combine. Okay, so let's see the output. So you will see John, so that is space is coming automatically here. So that means actually interpolation string is the, you have to take a result. This is the must actually. Without this ampersand it will give the error, and whatever variable you are going to combine, then you have to put inside the braces. Next, access string means you can access your string via square brackets. You can access the character in the string by referring its index number inside square bracket. So how we will do it? Let's go and see the example. Comment and let me uncomment. So if you will see, this is the string, my string is hello world. Let me put my name. So I want now output will be A, because it will access string based on the index. So let's see first 0, so it will give the output only A, because in the 0 index the character of name is A. If we will put here 2, then it should give U. Let's try and run. So it will give U, because on the 2 index the name is character is U. So this is access string. Now special characters means if you are going to write any line in the double quotes and one more double quotes you have to take it, then it will give the error. You can write the definition, because string must be written in the double quote within a quote. C# will misunderstand this string and generate an error. So what we are going to actually discuss in this slide and next slide, I will show you. Let's take one example. So this is the one. So you can see here, this is simple actually line. The character is called backslash. Now I am going to enter one more double quotes and I wanted to put Arun and Sani. So you will see it will give the error. The type of namespace Arun could not be found, this type of. So if we need to insert or we need to print, so how it's possible in the C#? Using this means that is string type and we are going to take. So you have to resolve this issue via backslash. So first in front of the character where you are going to use the double quotes, and one is the here. So then you can print it. So let's see the result. So you will see the character Arun is called backslash, means directly you can't put actually double quotes without slash. So this is C# string. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.